Today we are in Florida going through the Cottage Farmhouse by Palm Harbor Homes. The Cottage Farmhouse is available to all of our Florida customers statewide. As you can see here in the floor plan, the Cottage Farmhouse is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,387 square foot home with an office space or a den that can easily be made into a 3rd bedroom. This home can be built as either a manufactured home or a modular home, and it is also very customizable. To learn more about the differences in factory-built housing, please see our YouTube video on the differences in factory-built housing. At Family Dream Homes, we equip this home with an upgraded insulation package and double-pane insulated windows. These extra insulation items will save you money every month on your utility bills. As hot as it gets in Florida, you will appreciate the extra insulation we pack into every home at Family Dream Homes. We are showing this home with a beautiful year-round electric fireplace, and we have included electric appliances, water heater, and furnace. This home can also be equipped with an energy-efficient heat pump or a gas furnace depending on your needs. You can also choose a gas water heater, range, or dryer. You also have options for electric, gas, or wood-burning fireplaces in this home. You will also find this home comes with an upgraded trim package throughout the home. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select different siding, shutters, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, tile, backsplash, trim, paints, appliances, and a whole lot more. Our Palm Harbor homes are very customizable. This manufactured or modular home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Family Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at familydreamhomes.com or come by one of our locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. We are currently expanding rapidly, and we now service 6 states, including Florida, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri, with more states coming soon. For more information and pricing, please call one of our locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at familydreamhomes.com. Prices do vary by state and some other variables. We hope you've enjoyed this home tour. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more incredible home tours. And let us know what you think about this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. To see more great home tours, just click the link on the screen now. And let us help you find your dream home at Family Dream Homes. We guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family.